Welcome back to the Chakra Alignment series. In the last video, we learnt about root chakra, what happens when the chakra are overactive and underactive. We also learned about how to balance and harmonize the root chakra. In today's video, I'll be sharing about sacral chakra, the chakra which is responsible for your creative expression. For all those who are new here, I'm Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Say hi in the comment if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet everyone. Do you feel unemotional or unexcited? Do you deprive yourself of pleasure? Do you compare yourself with others? Then in today's video, you will learn how to deal with it along with more understanding on the sacral chakra. A well-balanced sacral chakra will increase your joy for living. It will allow your inner creativity to awaken. Sacral chakra is also known as Swadhisthana, which relates to the place of the self. This chakra is all about your identity as a human and what you do with it. This chakra is responsible for bringing you creative energy to help and reach every area of your life. It will help you to create infinite possibilities in your life. Your sacral chakra helps you enjoy your life completely. It's an energy that motivates you to enjoy the fruit of your labor. The color for sacral chakra is orange. This chakra is located right below the belly button. When your sacral chakra is balanced, you will relish in the pleasurable things life has to offer without overdoing them. Sex, good food, creative activities will be inspiring and enjoyable, and you will get a sense of wellness and abundance from them. When this chakra is overactive, we face things like addiction. Pleasure is a good thing, and you should never feel guilty for enjoying the good things life has to offer. However, if you find yourself enjoying things that aren't nourishing for your soul or healthy for you, then your sacral chakra is likely out of balance. Physical symptoms include addiction, obesity, hormone imbalance, depression, impotence, decreased sex drive, lack of passion and creativity and restlessness. An underactive sacral chakra will lead to laziness, not working toward what makes you happy. What it means is, you know what makes you happy, but you aren't ready to work to achieve it. Now, how to balance your sacral chakra? To balance your sacral chakra, try asking yourself simple question before each action you take. Ask yourself, is what I'm about to do good for me? Is it healthy and nourishing? What are the benefits of the action I'm about to take? Taking time to assess whether your actions are healthy is a great way to draw energy away from this chakra. Now, how to energize your second chakra? Energizing your sacral chakra is fun. In simple terms, just enjoy life. Create a piece of art, draw, paint, eat a healthy and enjoyable snack, make love to your partner, take time for yourself and enjoy the incredible gift the earth has to offer you. This chakra relates to inspiration. So today ask yourself, what inspires you and makes your soul to shine? It's time to surround yourself with inspiring people, books, experiences and anything that infuses you with inspiration. Have you been feeling bored? What do you love to do that brings your creative inspiration? Whatever it is that fills you with energy, it is now time to bring it into your world. When you are driven by inspiration, it brings motivation, joy and happiness into your being. These waves of energy will bring forth amazing positivity to your world, allowing you to feel content and with a sense of purpose in your life. When you are inspired and living in this vibration, those around you also benefit, as this state of being is truly infectious and you start also to inspire other people. Want to know what inspires me? I am inspired by someone who is ready to create possibilities that they had not considered earlier, and I feel blessed that I could make a difference. Things that they thought were unattainable or they never dared to dream of, but now they are ready to act upon with my guidance and complete faith. This inspiration is powerful and work as a major driving force of my development and growth. Remember one thing, if you get tired, learn to rest but not to quit. Another aspect which inspires me is when people are willing to give life another chance and they are hopeful. So if they have made a mistake or if things don't go well the first time, they continue living the life with more passion. Now, how can you open and balance your sacral chakra? My intuitive training opens, activates, balance and harmonize all your chakras. Do consider attending the Psychic Intuitive Training. Website has all the details about what would be included in the training. Link is shared in the description below. Let's now understand what you can do to balance your sacral chakra. Since the sacral chakra element is water, getting outside and relaxing near open water can help you open up your sacral chakra. Do centering and aligning breath that pulls your energy back close to your body. Aligning breath is the key to balance most chakra, and you already know how simple it is. For those who are here for the first time, let me just share it in short. You need to take a deep breath in, and while you are exhaling, breathing out, you need to say relax, relax, relax 3 times, and you have to do this 3 times in a row. Affirmation also helps you to open and balance your chakras. Few affirmations which will help you for sacral chakra are, as we know that the sacral chakra is related to inspiration, so the affirmation is, inspiration is constantly flowing through me at all times and I am inspired. I am authentically creating a life free of stress and full of bliss. I embrace and celebrate my sexuality. It is my birthright to receive pleasure and have all my needs met. I am able to clear all past experiences that hinders my growth and I walk confidently forward into my future. You can repeat this affirmation, you can write it down or you can listen to it as often as you need. Now, the I am affirmation for the sacral chakra. You know how important I am is and how powerful I am. I am for the sacral chakra is, I am the creator of my entire reality. Now let me end with a quote close to my heart by Tony Robbins. No matter how many mistakes you make or how slow you progress, you are still way ahead of everyone who isn't trying. So what did we learn about our sacral chakra? That its color is orange, it represents creativity, it is a water element, and this chakra message is to enjoy this beautiful life you have been gifted by God. You are blessed to be born as a human being with spirituality in every moment of your life. Hope this video inspires you to expand and grow in your life, creating infinite possibilities. My next video will be on solar plexus chakra, which is the power center for emotions. Please let me know what are your thoughts on this topic in the comment section. If you have learned something new, you can like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't, thank you so much for watching this one. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.